Hello friends, now according to this expression, here is the step-by-step simplification of this expression by using Bode-Maas rule. Bode-Maas rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, then curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for or we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponent. D stands for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. According to this Bode-Maas sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First step with most round brackets. As you can see in the bracket, there is a small bracket, and according to this expression, we have a small bracket is 9 divided by 3. According to this, we'll get 3. According to this step, always start with the innermost bracket, which is a small bracket. And now the current expression becomes 48 plus curly braces 15% of 200 minus 3 curly braces of square bracket of divided by 3. Move to the next step. Solve the of inside the curly braces. There is a percentage. Of basically comes before subtraction, and now the solve 15 upon 100 multiply 200. After cutting down zeros, we'll get answer as 30. So now the current expression becomes square bracket 48 plus curly braces 30 minus 3 curly braces of square bracket of divided by 3. Move to the next step. Complete the operation inside the curly braces. Now subtraction left. Now 30 minus 3 will get 27. According to this step, eliminate the curly brackets completely next. And now the current expression becomes 48 plus 27. Now move to the next step. Solve the addition inside the square brackets. Now there is a 48 plus 27. After we'll get 75. According to this step, we solve all the bracket operations before dividing the outside, and now the current expression becomes 75 divided by 3. Now perform finally division. This is the last step. Now 75 divided by 3, execute the final division outside the bracket and we'll get 25, which is the final result. So now according to this expression, by using the sequence of Bode-Maas, the final result value of this 25. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.